Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to go to the Battlegrounds mobile cam 90 FPS drop test in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. As you can clearly see friends, this is a OnePlus Nord 2 and this is a test which I'm trying to do after the recent software update. So which is a February security patch update in this OnePlus Nord 2. So few users they want to know how is the FPS is handling in the OnePlus Nord 2 after this update. So that's what my video is about, and let me to open the Battlegrounds mobile game. And you can only play the 90 FPS in the OnePlus Nord 2 using the config file and GFX file. So only in that way it's kind of possible in this device. So let me to enable the real-time FPS method so that you will be able to see exactly and monitor what's happening here. As you can clearly see friends, 88 FPS. And now let me to do the normal drop test as well, exactly in the bootcamp map. The temperature will definitely increase in the OnePlus Nord 2 in case if you use this kind of 90 FPS config file or maybe GFX file. So if you ask me what is the file which I'm trying to use, so which is available in the GFX tool in the Play Store, but the thing is that there is no particular GFX tool application, because every time the application keeps on changing, my account gets banning. So please be aware of those kind of things. So your account may get also banned. So right now I'm going to enable this gaming triggers for the gameplay purpose. Let's see. I just want to see the capabilities of this device. So is it ready for the 90 FPS or not? That's what my main idea and intention of making this video exactly right now. So right now there's some frame drops happen. It dropped to 877 as well during this process. 79 it's maintaining. 82. I'll let you do the similar kind of FPS drop test in other smartphones as well, which I do have at this moment. So in case if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below friends. Definitely I'll be able to help you out in solving your doubts. So let's do exactly in the bootcamp drop test here. So try to monitor the FPS meter, how much we can actually get here. It's getting 88 FPS, 88, 89. So 85 FPS, 81 FPS, it dropped a little bit. Slightly focus on the FPS meter, so you should be able to see exactly. 84, 83. 77, 65 as well. During the FPS drop test, 65 did drop. You can clearly see friends what's going on. So this is a quick test FPS drop test. So it did drop up to 65 FPS as well during this process of demonstration. So in case if you want me to do any other videos, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll try to do those kind of comparison as soon as possible. So this is a quick demonstration friends using the bootcamp, and now let me switch to the team deathmatch as well. And let's see in the team deathmatch how much score we can actually expect in the team deathmatch, like how much FPS it's gonna maintain exactly. Right now it was able to maintain 83 and 82 FPS during this process of testing. It dropped to 78 FPS as well sometimes. Let's move to the teammate match and let's see for some time what's gonna happen. Let's go back and exit. So this is a quick drop test, friends. It did drop up to 73 FPS as well during this just normal gaming only. And let's go to the teammate match and enable this one. Yes, let's see the temperatures right now. It's of 36.2 degrees Celsius, 37.4. I did play only for about I think 5 minutes of time, not much time. So in 5 minutes the temperature did increase up to 37 degrees Celsius as well. And once after playing this teammate match, then I'll try to end up this video at this moment. Right now we'll try to see exactly. And still there is no 4D vibrations enabled, friends, in this OnePlus and the Realme phones. So right now we should be able to see the FPS. So 87 FPS. It's taking out. Yes, I got that person, and now let's take another one. Right now you can see FPS is maintaining in the teammate match. It was able to maintain 88 FPS, 86 FPS also. 86 and 87 it's maintaining pretty good FPS, no issues with that. So I got 3, not bad. $85 FPS it's maintaining. So this is a quick Batman's mobile game 90 FPS gameplay test, friends. Overall the phone was able to keep up pretty good regarding the FPS count, not bad. Let me know in the comments in case if you want me to do test on other devices or not. I can definitely do the video. So I'm not that good at gaming, friends. Totally I'm trying to get improved with my gaming as well. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. And the temperature did increase up to 38.8 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes of gameplay. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates and bye.